Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Like I said in the last video, if you guys watched that one, the Grape 5 unboxing. Now we got this, so you guys can see that pack in the back. Let me go grab all those real quick. And here they are. So you guys can see custom ink. This is where I go through to make and print my shirts. Well, I make them separately, and then obviously I print them through custom ink. But we got a lot of stuff to get into. We got 5 different items in here to go ahead and unbox. We're gonna start off right at the top and work our way down to the big guy down here. So let me put these down and grab the first package. First one that we got right here, I believe this should be a 1 of 1 for my cousin. I was gonna order myself one too, but because it's a hoodie, I believe this is the hoodie anyway. I just didn't feel like spending $55 on a hoodie for myself after I spent a decent amount of money on everything. So I just let her have her 1 of 1. I'll probably get my own at some point down the road or make a tee version of it for myself. But anyway, I'm going to try not to ramble on too much, just get into the stuff. Just because we have a lot to go through and I don't want to be here for a long time. This is not the hoodie. This is a t-shirt. Yo! Alright, so this is the car tee that I made. I got 2 of this one. Yo! Tell me that is not fire. Tell me that is not fire. I got 2 versions of this too. So I got this is the blue one, and then there's a red version of it with a different car. But yo! You see it? I'm hyped. Every time I make these videos, I get so hyped. It's crazy. And then it's just going to be like this the whole video. I'm going to be smiling the whole video. But we got 2 tees right here, so I'm going to go ahead. But here it is. So there's 2 tees right here. And that's the full graphic. Fizz. It's a little wrinkled. These been sitting in the packs for like almost a week, like I said, because I've been gone. But, there's the first tee. This is the car tee. This collection is a part of, this shirt is a part of the Dark Summer collection. This is the car tee, and then I got the Car V2 tee, the Cells hoodie, and the Death Wish tee to get into, plus the 4th of July tees. That will be the last box I get into because I ordered a lot of those. But anyway, this is like I said, this is the car tee, or the Death, not the car tee. I just call it the car tee for nickname, but this is the Death Race tee. The V1 with the blue, but that's the first tee. All right, next up, this should be the hoodie. It seems. I really can't tell. Maybe this is the hoodie. This is probably the hoodie. I really cannot tell. These packs, like that one, I thought that one was the hoodie because there's only one hoodie. But next pack, this is probably the Death. Oh no, this is the hoodie. I'm excited to see the hoodie. This is the first time I've printed on a hoodie. Here we go. It's stuck to my hand. Woo! Yo! Alright, so this one's a little bit harder to see because it's like super bright. But just says Fizz right there, kind of like my own version of a box logo on the front, and then it has the graphic big on the back. Now this is from my cousin, like I said. But this is my first time making hoodies, or actually like having the hoodie, but there it is. That's just the front. And then you flip it over to the back, and there you go. So it's got Fizz big on the back, and then it's like, it says it normal right here, and then it's flipped on the bottom. Man, this is fire. But I'm not really, I don't really like Gildan. This is printed on Gildan, but I'm not really, I like Gildan tees, but I don't really care for the quality of the hoodies, so I'm not really. That's probably the main reason I didn't get myself one, is because I'm not a huge fan of Gildan. I think, or Gildan or Hanes, I don't even remember. But either way, I don't really like either. This one is Hanes, but I'm not a huge fan of their hoodies. But I'm sure when it's my own clothing brand, I'll work with it. But I just decided I'll just make the one for now, and then maybe get myself one. I'll have the access to do that later at some point in the future. But this is the Cells hoodie, 1 of 1 right here. So that's the front. Well, that's the front. That's the back. All right, what's next? What's next? This one is this has to be the Death Race V2, which is the red version of the car. Because this one had like I made like 5 or 6 of these, I think. But let's go ahead go ahead, crack these open. So I'm expecting it to get shocked again. Yes, it is. I just know because the T is black as well. I like to print on black. I just like black, like any graphic looks good on black. But in this other packs, we got some other colors that I haven't gotten before. But here's the Death Race V2T. And you only can see a little bit of the car. I'm excited to flip it. But that first one, the way that first one came out, bro. Oh my God. But here we go. Here's the second one. Go ahead. Flip that. Same thing going on. Different car. It's still heat. But honestly, not going to lie, I'm kind of liking the blue one a little bit more in hand. I don't know, that blue just slaps. And because I've made red car, or like designs with red in it, that I'm used to seeing the red. Like this one has red in it. But just that blue hit. But this red is still fire. So let me, give me a second. I'm going to like organize these so I can show you the graphic a little bit better. So I got it up on a hanger, but as you guys can see, like I said, the same thing. Try to focus that. Same thing going on. Fizz right here. Got the car. FM right there. Super clean, but like I said, I'm kind of liking that blue one just a little bit more because of the blue. Next up, second to last package, we got 8 T's of this one. This one should be, I'm assuming by the size of the pack, should be the Death Wish Tee, which Michael made this design, the birthday design, and Michael made this one. So this is the second graphic, or the third no. This is the first graphic he made for me. This is the second, and that one will be the third. So we got 3 of Michael going on in one video right now, but I'm excited to see this one. This one took a little bit of time to make just because, like, again, I was busy with work and stuff like that, so I wasn't really around. And obviously, it's not going to work on the design when I'm not there. So, but I'm excited to see this one in hand. And I haven't printed on this color before, so I'm excited to see how it looks. And that is what it is. That is what it is! That makes sense. Alright, but we got this. We got a... And I got one black in there because my dad prefers black t-shirts over white just because obviously white stains. So I got one version of black in there so I can see what it looks like on black as well. I'm going to go ahead, peel this open, and I'm just going to try to get one t-shirt out of here without looking at the graphic completely. I'm dropping the whole... Oh! Yo, I get so hyped. Alright, I'm trying to... Bruh. That's so fire. Oh my God, and it like prints easy. It's not as like rough, so it feels like really good, but it's nice quality. But I haven't printed on white before, like I said. But Michael made this. My cousin. You guys know Michael. He's been on the channel quite a few times. Not really recently, but when I was more into it, he created a lot. Now, what I really like about this design, obviously, he took time to make it, but like the little details, like, so this is, like I said, this is the Death Wish Tee. He drew all of this. I helped him with the flames, and I kind of spectated him when he did everything else. But, like, there's just, like, the small details, like, that you can still see in the shirt, like, the skeleton's eyes have flames coming out of him. He has a bullet hole right here with blood coming out of it and flames coming out of it. You can even see, like, the burn marks going, like, up the side of the mask on the edge. It's kind of hard to see in camera, but in person you can see it where it's, like, a little bit lighter. And, like, has the Fizz logo on the money bag, a little bit of money coming out of the bag, and then just the small little Fizz logo at the bottom that kind of blends in with the flames in the background. It just, bro. Thank you, Michael. If you're watching this, thank you. That was my reaction to seeing this in person, and this is your tee right here. First one seen on YouTube. This is yours right here. But anyway, like I said, this is the Death Wish Tee, designed by Michael. And last but not least, the big pack. We got 24 shirts in here. 2 of them are for me. 1 of them is for Michael. And we got 1, 2... We got 5 colorways in here. 1 of them is just one for my uncle because he requested it in that color. The rest of them we got white, black, royal blue, and light blue, aka Carolina blue. I'm excited for the Carolina blue because I've ordered the other colorways before, but I haven't had. I'm dropping the box. I'm dropping myself over here, but I haven't had Carolina blue. And I made red. I'm like struggling with this box, but I've had red before. And I had red on this design, but didn't really get any orders for it just because it's kind of like me and Michael, our least favorite colorway, just because it blended in with the graphic too much compared to the other colors. So I never put it into production, but it was available. But like I said, I'm really excited to see this this Carolina blue. Now, like I said, this is the 4th of July tee. So I'm excited to see these, and we're gonna take a look at all the colorways of this one, and I'm going to try to save the light blue for last. So let me go ahead, put this knife down, put the box down, and just take out the first tee anyway. This is going to be hard. This is, oh my God. As you guys can see, you see what's going on right there. Now we're going to try to take these out. Now, as you guys can see, they have them in layers, so this is going to be a tough one to get into, but we'll at least take a look at the white and the Carolina blue. Those are the two that I got for myself. I didn't get any of the other colorways just because I don't really need 5 different colors of the same. I mean, I could, but you guys know what I'm saying. I just got white and Carolina blue for myself. But if I end up seeing the other colors, I'm like, yo, that's fire. I could always buy it for myself, you know? But let me go ahead and figure out how I'm going to do this. I'm going to stand back here and still record so you guys can watch the struggle of what I'm trying to do over here. But toss that over there. And woo! It's like, it's hard to see. I'm like blind over here. There's like no light over there. But here's just the Fizz logo of the graphic. We still got the whole bottom to look at. It looks good. I feel like white, it doesn't print on the white as thick as it does other colors, which I don't know why that is. It's not a bad thing, but it just makes the quality slightly different compared to the other ones. Like, I'll do side by side real quick. Just let me, yeah, like I can feel the white isn't on there. It's like almost not on there as much. It's not as bright as it is on the other colorways, which is weird. I don't know why it's like that. It doesn't really bother me, but that's just the way it is, I guess. But anyway, I can set the white down because it is white. I don't have to worry about getting cat hair all over them. But we'll just grab each one and just show you. So this is the gray that I got from my uncle. You guys can see what's going on down there. Woo! I'm sorry. That's the Carolina blue hitting. Look at that. Yeah, definitely my favorite color. Like, it's like it blends in. But like this one, looking at it, I could tell the graphic is a lot like thicker on there. Royal blue. Okay, the royal slaps. The royal blue looks really good. So like I said with the red, it would have blended in with this too much. While these ones still blend in, but it's still visible, just the red would have been. It didn't even really look good in the pictures, let alone in hand. I mean, it probably would have looked better in hand, just in the pictures alone, it didn't look right. And then last up, we got black. And the black looks good too. This one definitely has the most like standout in a sense because it's just on black, while the white still kind of blends in a little bit. But the black, it's just all these different colors and the black is fire. There's the full graphic. That's fire. Again, Michael made this for me. So this is the 4th of July tee. This one only took us like 2 days to make. It's fairly simple to make this one. So the original thing was that the skull was going to be kind of over here with, originally we didn't have this, the flag. It was just going to be like lasers, like red and blue lasers shooting out. And then they have like a Fizz, like arc logo right here. That were fireworks. And then turned into this kind of, he's like an astronaut thing. So obviously you got like the Fizz version of a NASA logo. Got another Fizz logo right here that has like the American flag within it, and then the big Fizz logo over here, and then the skull. And like I said, this guy's supposed to be an astronaut. Kind of looks like a motorcycle helmet, but it still looks fire. And on this navy blue, or the royal blue, or Carolina blue as it's called, right? Yeah, Carolina blue, light blue, same thing. This is definitely my favorite colorway out of all of them. But anyway, guys, that is all the merch. All right, guys, so I got all the merch right here. So I'm going to try to figure out how to get a good thumbnail for this. This is going to be very tricky, but I might be okay. I might struggle a little bit, to be honest. It's kind of a hard thing to do right here, but I think that would be good enough right there. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap this video real quick. We'll go over them real quick. So from the Dark Summers collection, we have the Death Wish tee, designed by Michael. We got the Death Race V1 tee right here, designed by me. We got the Death Race V2 tee right here, also designed by me. And we got the Cells hoodie right there. First time printing on a hoodie, also designed by me. And then last but not least, released separately. So that was the Dark Summers collection. Then lastly, we got the Fizz 4th of July tees designed by Michael in 4 different colorways. White, black, Carolina blue, royal blue, red, technically. I didn't ever made any of them. And gray, one of one for my uncle. But anyway, guys, like I said, that is going to wrap it up. Let me know what you guys think of these designs. Personally, there's not one that I didn't like. Obviously, if I didn't like a design, I probably wouldn't even release it if I didn't like it. But whatever. But anyway, guys, that is it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand. Of course, Fizz New York. Go check it out. Link will be in the description below. Go shop up. All this stuff. All this stuff were pre-orders. I do have some extras available of the 4th of July tees I made just for extra. So if you guys want those will still be available. They're not on the website right now. Shorts are actually on the website right now. So I'll post pictures of the shorts at the end of this video, just so you guys know they're on the site right now. They'll be available for like maybe 2 more weeks, and that's it. But anyway, like I said, Fizz New York. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff, and hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace.